Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So when you have stopped by this, make sure you take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For all those who are new, please hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification updates from my side. So I hope you all of you are doing well in this lockdown, and I really wanted to come back to you very soon to just with something which I have, and I really wanted to share this bundle of joy with you. So here I have sheet masks from the company Garnier, and sheet masks really makes me feel happy because sheet masks are something which your skin actually it loves. Sheet masks, we never know till we actually come across things. So our skin feels very hydrated and boosted up when we use a sheet mask. So I've got 3 types of sheet masks from Garnier. One is the Hydra Bomb. So for Hydra Bomb I got 4 from this, but I used 1 so that I can tell you how it feels. So Hydra Bomb is the one variant. The other one is Sakura White, and the other one is a Light Complete. Sheet masks are to be used. This sheet mask from Garnier, it claims that if you can see that one mask is equal to 1 week of serum. So the serum which we apply on our skin every night, so all these sheet masks, they claim the same thing. And trust me guys, when I say this, I use the Hydra Bomb because I have a combination skin, and my skin sometimes it does tend to become dry at times, my cheek areas. So I need serum and I need moisturizer for my cheeks, especially because my cheeks actually they become very dry very often actually. So I wanted to try this Garnier Hydra Bomb before filming this video because I wanted to share my reviews on this. Let me just tell you about the packaging. It has 2 sides. One is the white side and one is the blue side. So you need to place the white side on your face, right? The white side should be sitting on your face, and then after it sets, then you need to peel off the blue side. So this, when you open this actually feels like the serum is literally going to drip from the mask, but don't worry, it's nothing of that sort. Nothing of that sort will happen. The serum is so well managed here inside the sheet mask that it won't fall, even a drop of it won't fall from the sheet mask. So rest assured that you're not going to mess up the place. Now, the ways of using a sheet mask is you should use it weekly twice, I would suggest. And for all the sheet masks, most of them I have seen, they say you must keep it on for 15 minutes. But I will suggest you that keep it on for maximum 20 to 25 minutes. So it'll allow the product to get absorbed to your skin much better. So in that way, I really like to keep my sheet masks on for 20 to 25 minutes, and sometimes I do also keep it for around 30 minutes or so. So before maybe going for some party or some occasions, make sure if you have, I would highly suggest that get some sheet masks for yourselves. Your skin is going to love you and thank you for such a hydration. And before going to some party or some occasions, before putting up any makeup, sometimes I do feel like pampering my skin a lot, so I go in with sheet masks before putting my makeup if I'm going out and if I need to look really good. And so I do hydrate my skin a lot that time. So this is the way how you should use your sheet masks as well. And make sure whenever you are pulling out your sheet mask after 20 to 25 minutes, you will have your face wet and there'll be some residue remaining on your sheet mask which you have already used. So don't just dispose it off. Make sure you use that used sheet mask and rub it all over your neck, in your elbows as well, and wherever you have dry patches on your skin, so it will give your skin hydration. So I'm sure that you all are going to see a huge difference if you do it according to what I said. So without pulling the video longer, I'll stop my video here. Take care, subscribe to my channel again, and I have already put up lots of previous videos, so make sure you watch them, and I'll try and link some of them here in the I button. Click the I button and see there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support and love. Take care, stay safe, and signing off. Bye bye.